Hello guys, good morning. It's me Ryan, known as Ryan PDT in the chat room, and this is my trade with AAL. I was really lucky today with a good short move and a good long and a double bottom long. So yeah, if you haven't, please subscribe to Bearable Traders channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. I will try to help you out and answer any questions. Yeah, so let's look at our watch list. So one sec. Yeah, so today watch list, we didn't have a lot actually compared to the previous weeks and previous days. So today when I pick my watch list, I normally pick, if preference, I prefer picking 200 million float, above 200 million float. So at the gap down, we have mRNA, so that's number one. I normally pick just top three. And my next was DAL because of the volume, and AAL above 200, and I like the price action of those. Yeah, that's about it. 1 ATR is number one requirement, and I didn't know why I did not pick QGen. It has 200 million. I don't know, I did not, maybe it slipped my my mind. So yeah, so today, as you can see, SE, I did not, it's kind of like in my category, but I did not like the price action. KSS is 150, so I was like, maybe not. And volume is great for DAL and AAL. So yeah, that's about it. So I picked those three. As you can see, AAL was a really good short and a good long, and DAL, if you look, it's a good short as well. Yeah, it did hit the level. So what else was mRNA? Was a bit choppy, so I'm really happy I did not trade that. So yeah, let's watch my trade. Here you go. Market opens. So I was closely watching my top pick was AAL. I was actually looking to long this because this was a gapped up stock. I was looking to long around 19 area if it makes a new high, and if it stays above VWAP is at 960, 1960. So 1950 is my number, 960, 1960, 1950, and 980 area. So as you can see, it did not maintain the VWAP at all. So now I'm going to probably short it, which I think I did. Not really sure what I did. I can't really remember what I did here. But looking at it, 1960 and 1950 is the number that I'm looking. I don't look at what's this? I don't look at candles anymore. But this one ATR, this is really good. It helps me a lot on how much a candle moved. So this moved about 30 cents when I was watching it. So I'm gonna risk probably 30 cents if I enter somewhere here because it's too far from the high. If I get squeezed, then I'll probably just risk 1 hour and 30 cents. So there you go. It's printing red. Red, I shorted it, risking 30 cents. But I'm gonna get out at 1960 if it squeezes. There you go. So I'll probably take a little bit just to ease myself. Just 10%. I just took a little bit just to ease myself because normally I'm scared if this squeezes, then I will panic. So I was trying to know what kind of trader am I. I'm very impatient. So I created, same as Andrews, I created a 10% take profit just to ease myself, like this one, 10%. If it goes to my level, that's where I take 50%. Right? So I'm seeing really good bids, like big bids, not that big. So those are, trust me, those are just 10%. I see one now at 19. So this area 1906, it's a previous day high. So this is probably where I will take 50%, all the way to 19, right? Because I see that 3 digits, that's what I like. It's Nasdaq, that's what I like, right? So yeah, I'm on a driver's seat, good profit. So it's just waiting and waiting. There you go. So I took probably half, and as I probably just take most of it, and last piece at 1921. There you go. That's like a 10-cent move. I missed it, but fine. I'm happy. There you go. And then I got stopped for sure. I should have get stopped here when I made a new 1 minute high, but you know, like I got good enough profit. That's why I want to risk a bit. And I said it's probably gonna go back to VWAP, and VWAP probably a good short. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Fast forward more. So right here, I'm seeing 3 digits, 1929. I'm sure it's gonna squeeze up to somewhere here because I see this. There you go. So that's where I entered. I really wanted to get in at 1950 and short it again, but I said, nah, I'm not giving back anything. So I was done just 5 minutes. I hit my goal, my daily goal, and just watch the market. That's it. So I'm gonna fast forward this because I took another long. I actually told Brian that it is a good long. I'm gonna fast forward this. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, so imagine if you shorted here, right? That's probably where you want to short it, all the way down to 19 and risk about, I don't know, like maybe 10 cents. This will be a really this is a really good profit. So I told Brian that, hey Brian, actually this is a good short. I'm sorry, this is a good long. And then he said, yeah, it looks like a good long, but I think I did not take it, but I took it somewhere here at 19. I can't remember where I took it. My risk was just a low of day 80. Just look at my mouse. It's at 83, so I was checking the price. There you go. I took it. 10 cents risk, 83. My risk 83, but I changed my risk to 80. So you know, it's a very small risk. Tight, really tight. So I was just hoping to take profit here, 10%, and all the way up to VWAP. That my target was VWAP, so probably I wanted like a 2-to-1. So again, I took 10% just to ease myself, but that's already a 1-to-1, but I did not take all of them, just 10%. I want to take 1924 area or 25. So I almost got stopped, but I survived. There you go. And this one was just, it squeezed everyone because of SPY. SPY was moving a lot. Look at that. I was like, what is happening? So I took 50% here. 10%, this is 10%, 50%. I don't know how much I took here. Probably just 10%. And I think I took 50%. So I'm almost all out here. I was hoping actually to reach this level, probably almost all out here and then get out here 100%. But look at that. Now on 80 cents. Oh my god. 80-cent move, risking 10 cents. Right, so 1893 was my average cost where I entered. So 1893 is here. There you go. So all out at 1947. Because I mean, it's either I get out here. I don't have a lot of shares anymore. So I was actually waiting for this one. So it was kind of like a squeeze because of SPY. SPY moved crazy. So yeah, that's about it. Done 2 trades, really good one. I can say that I think I just got lucky here because my target was just this. SPY helped it a lot, so give me more money. Yeah, that's it. So like I said, if you haven't, please subscribe to Bearable Traders. It's a great community, great people. Again, thank you guys for watching my video, and that's it. Have a good day, everyone. Peace. Oh yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'm gonna help you out. Bye.